Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about ginger tea. I don't know whether you have ever taken ginger tea, but I believe I have. Actually, today I'm taking something. I'm taking hibiscus tea with ginger in it. It's very sweet, and especially right now because it's cold. The building that I'm in, it's very cold, so it is very helpful. It keeps you warm, and you stay healthy. You also reap other benefits. One of its benefits, it alleviates nausea. You can take it, especially for expectant mothers. When you have, if you're suffering from morning sicknesses, you can take ginger. Sometimes if you can even chew it. You just chew the ginger, or you just make ginger tea and you take it. You can also take it as you travel. If you're the kind of a person who feels nausea, you just want to puke when you're traveling, well, you can take it. It will alleviate the nausea. It also helps to ease inflammation, and especially joint inflammation. I advise you can make a ginger poultice. A ginger poultice is basically you grate a ginger, you put it on a cotton clean cloth, and then you just wrap it around your joint. It could be your wrist, it could be your knee joint, anywhere. So you just wrap it around there, and it is going to help with the inflammation that is causing the pain in the joints. So I recommend that you use ginger for your joints pains, and you will feel better. Not only that, it helps to regulate blood sugar. For those people who have diabetes, they're on their meds. Well, as you continue to take your medication, it is also wise to use ginger because it helps regulate the blood sugar levels, or the amount of sugar, the amount of glucose that enters your cells. It also helps to ease menstrual cramps. It is very good in that, and especially, but you don't have to take it like the day you are on your menses and then you expect it to work. Of course it will work, but it works better if you have been taking it, like maybe you take ginger tea 2 weeks earlier, like consistently daily, and by the time maybe you're getting your menses, it will not hurt as much. It will have the muscles will be more relaxed. Why are we saying it alleviates menstrual pains? It's because ginger is very good when it comes to strengthening the muscles. And whenever when ladies have their menstruation, remember the pelvic muscles are compressing and they are relaxing every now and then, so that is why you feel that pain. So because ginger helps with the muscle, strengthening the muscle, eventually it will work. Not only that, it also helps with brain function. If you want to always feel fresh whenever you read something, it just kind of sticks into your mind, continue taking ginger tea. It will work for you. Not only that, it also helps with fungal infection. Maybe you're having rashes, you don't know, you don't really know why you have them. So you can take ginger tea and or make it a lifestyle. Okay, what we have been discussing in this channel is not like a one-time thing. We're actually creating a lifestyle. You don't have to take these herbs when you're sick. Make it your lifestyle to take them. Continue using ginger tea. I take hibiscus, I take ginger, I take stevia, I take molasses like daily. I'm not sick. So I advise that you also make it a habit, because it will make you will reap all these benefits. So even before you get sick, you will actually, even if if a pathogen wants to attack you, or you have any of these, the symptoms that you have been talking about, you're in a better position, or you will have boosted your immunity to be able to fight maybe the pathogens and the bacterias and the fungus and all those other things. So we are establishing a lifestyle of taking herbal stuff, not necessarily as medication, but we're taking them as food. Remember when we began in this channel, we said make medication or make herbs your food. Let your food be your medication. But don't wait until you get sick. Now, because you have so many medications with you, it's like now medication have become your food. Don't wait until that time. Also, it helps to block bacterial infection. It lowers cholesterol levels. It also promotes proper digestion. If you have been having, you eat and you feel like your food is not really getting digested as quick as you wish, well, just take ginger tea and make it a habit, and these will be improved. Not only that, just like we said, it relieves joint and muscle pains. You have worked out and you feel tired, worn out, you can take ginger tea and you will actually feel better. Not only that, it protects against stomach ulcers. Of course, sometimes you can be tempted to think just because ginger is hot, like whenever you take ginger, you feel like it's kind of burning you, and you might be tempted to think that it's going to maybe increase your ulcer symptoms, but the case is different. We said it strengthens muscles and the cardiac sphincter, that is the gate between your stomach and your esophagus. That is what usually weakens, and you have all these conditions. You have acid reflux, you have ulcers, you have heartburn, all these conditions. So if you take ginger and it strengthens that muscle, eventually it will close and you will get better. Of course, you have to be disciplined. You don't have to eat so late, you don't have to eat so often. Yeah, so those are some of the things. So those are some of the benefits of ginger. And maybe the final one, I can say it also reduces the chances of the risk of having or developing cancer. We all have cancer cells in our bodies, but they're triggered by what we eat or our diet. So if you take ginger, it will also help to reduce the risk at which you can get it. Something else, it improves kidney health. It also helps with cold, common cold. The way we just make of course in Kenya we call it dawa. Dawa means medication, but it may be lemonade. You just take lemon, ginger, and all these other things, and you're set to take that hot tea, and you are good to go. Well, thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate. Ask questions, like, subscribe, and comment. I'm ready to answer. May God bless you. See you on the next video. Ciao.